Hey guys, welcome back to Adele DIY. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make super cute aesthetic stickers at home for basically free. Now without further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to find the designs that you want for your stickers. I did this by going to Pinterest and searching up something on the lines of aesthetic stickers. And if you're just making them for yourself, then you can do that or go to Redbubble. But if you're trying to sell them somewhere, then I'd recommend making your own designs. Once you've found your images, the next step is to lay them out on a piece of paper so you can print them out. I'm just going to Google Docs and I'm just going to drag and drop all of my images into a document. I'm also just going ahead and cropping out most of the white space. Also, I'd recommend selecting the wrap text instead of the break text or inline just because it makes it easier to move the images around the paper. Once you've laid out all your images, you're going to want to put some sticker paper into your printer, and I'm using the one by Avery, and these are full sheets, so they're 8.5 by 11, and at least for my printer, the white side faces up. Once you've printed out your images, just go ahead and cut around them. This image of Emma Chamberlain I actually drew with digital art, and if you want a tutorial for that, you should go check out my video from a few weeks ago. And here are our finished products. Now, let's go ahead and use these stickers to go in sticker subset. Super cute! And for the water bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Also, hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next week. Bye guys. Mwah.